This is l.
L.
L is the tongue sound. We make it by touching our front teeth with the tip of our tongue.
L.
L stretches into other sounds like this.
La. Le. Li.
L goes into words like lighthouse, lion, leopard, and lemon. L's favourite letter is letter L. L loves to go into letter L because letter L is long and thin and looks a little bit like a lighthouse.